Welcome to another unboxing. Today we're looking at the Cygnett 10,000 mAh power bank ChargeUp Boost 2. It can charge 3 devices at a time and charge your phone 2.5 times, and it has a digital LED display to indicate how much battery is still inside. Cygnett is an Australian designed company. The specifications are 37WH. It has 2 USB-A ports with 12 watt output and 1 USB-C port which can be used for input as well as output at 15 watt. The 2 USB ports are fast charging at 2.4 ampere, whereas the USB-C port is fast charging at 3 ampere, and it has a 2-year warranty. The color is black. Let's unbox it. This is the inside of the box. This is the power bank. This feels quite compact, and I would say it's the same size or similar size like an iPhone 13 mini, and is lightweight. Previously I had a 20,000 mAh power bank by Belkin, and that was at least double the size, and it didn't have the USB-C output. It only had the USB-C input and USB-A output, whereas this one, USB-C, can be used for input as well as output. Included in the box, there's also a user manual. There's only one button on the side, which is the power button, and when we press it, we can see there's still 78% charge in it. The light is very dim, but that's because I'm outside in bright daylight. Maybe inside the room it probably would be clearer, but I can read 78%, so it's already almost fully charged when you take it out of the box. And other than the battery itself, there should be a cable inside, short cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable. So that was the unboxing, and now I'm going to charge it and try it out if I can use it to charge the phone for a whole day. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.